Hello everyone. This week I need a power socket which I found in this one, LeadChuang multifunction power socket, and you can see that has like 3 outlets of 3 AC, like 4 USB as well. You have 3 sockets and also 3.48 total like USB A, which can be chargeable. And I'm gonna just open up the box and show you how you can use it. My power socket comes with a user manual. You can check any information inside here, which you can see. It shows about the ports and outlets, which there are 3 USB ports. You can charge your phones, you can charge your tablets. It's easy, and also 3 AC outlets, and also to switch off and switch on your socket, which I'm gonna use USB ports to charge my phones. And now let's try it. Now I put plug in my socket, so you can see now I just turn it on the socket, which there's a blue light, and you can see 3 outlets and 3 USB ports, which you can charge your phones or your tablets or your laptops. I'm gonna use this socket on my desk to charge my phones, which I'm not gonna need anymore those plugs. And also you can use it on your desk like that to take it out those places, which you can see. And also you can put your phone or you can put your tablet like here, charge it while you can watch something, or you can leave your phone over here. And also you can use it this one to put it on your wall if you need it, just in case. So if you need it like a tidy up table, it's easy to use it. So I'm just gonna put my phone's chargers over here and charge my phone, which you can see it's charging right now. And open up this place and let my phone like that. So you're not gonna need those 2 plugs, which makes it complex to use it on your socket. This is very easy, you can use it. I'm so glad to have this socket on my desk, which is gonna make my life easier, and that I have 2 phones to use it. Also, if I need to plug something, I can use 3 of them, which is very easy. And I can recommend you this socket. It's not complex one, and it's easy to use it. And thank you for watching, and see you soon.